guys, it's your girl Naima, and I'm back with another video. Again, we're still in the Vlogmas time, so y'all gonna probably see this little Christmas get up in the previous video, okay? Because we're here to get out these videos. But anyway, as you can tell by the title, I got my hands on a package, and this is going to be a fragrance video, an unboxing, first impressions, all that good jazz. And this fragrance has been trending all over TikTok. I ain't know nothing about it, but my good old TikTok girlies always get me together. So to see the fragrance that I'm talking about, keep on watching. Okay, so the fragrance is from Aroma Concepts. I actually ordered mine from off the TikTok shop. As always, I will leave all my links and everything below if you guys are interested. So this is supposed to be the dupe for the Kayali's Vanilla 28. I actually own Vanilla 28, and she is very, very, very nice and dark. Okay, I just had the little travel. I actually got this in my Scent Sister swap for Christmas last year. Well, yeah, last Christmas. And look at this juice, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous, okay? So the fragrance I'm talking about is the dupe for that fragrance. Ooh, this is nice and heavy too. So here is the packaging. Here is the fragrance. It's by Paris Corner. This is called EASHAL Vanilla. Y'all, get into the packaging. The packaging is like very, very luxe. And y'all know, y'all see the seal, and you know it's real. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I can give you guys my first impressions and all that good jazz. Because that's why we're here, right? Period. How do you open this? Ooh. Okay, so look, y'all, it comes with a little scarf. How cute is this? It's the detailing in the packaging for me. The Arabian fragrances are going to do it every time, okay? I have nothing like this in my collection, and I am so freaking excited. Okay, so we have the notes in the box, which we love. Thank you. Thank you very much. Top notes is sugar. Heart notes, jasmine and rose. The base notes, vanilla, caramel, and musk. Okay? Straight to the point, because that's why we're here. And I'm ready to spray her out so we can get her juices flowing. Y'all, this bottle is absolutely stunning. So freaking beautiful, okay? All right, so like I said, I have Vanilla 28 here. Let me go ahead and spray her out on a card, on a tester. We know what Vanilla 28 smells like. Everyone's saying this is what that is, but this is going to give you the longevity. Okay, so let's go ahead and get ready to spray her out over here. Make sure this has nothing on it, because you know how you got to spray it out and then go ahead and let it sit for a little bit. Ooh. Yep, immediately it's strong, because I'm getting ready to sneeze. Woo! That thing went straight up my nose, baby. Yep. So what it took this to turn to smell like that, EASHAL smells like it immediately. It's dead on dupe to me. So again, you have to let your Vanilla 28 sit for the juice to get extra, extra dark. But with this one, it's already ready to go. But also, this one has more. This seems like it will last on the skin way longer, because you guys know, Kayali, we love you. We love you, girl. But Mona, them fragrances do not last. The only fragrance I will say that lasts is the Fleur Majesty. And every time I put that on and I layer it with Prada Paradox, it's beast mode, okay? Everything else is light, fluffy, and cute. But yeah, this is dead freaking on. Oh my god, whoever got in the lab and nailed this should get the fragrance award of the year, okay? First of all, I'm not even supposed to be buying no fragrances, okay? This snuck up on me on a Black Friday deal, okay? I think I got it for $29 with free shipping from TikTok shop. So listen, I had to have it, okay? It was meant to be. Now, I'm not buying no more fragrances for the rest of the year. I may get one more because it's a new Young Bougie dupe. I don't have any of the other ones. The only dupe that I had was from Dupe. And it's another one that's out that it's in a white bottle, and I think I have to have it. Okay, but I don't know if I'm going to wait until after Christmas or I'm gonna get it before Christmas and a gift to myself. Okay, but yes, you guys, she is 1,000 out of 10. I definitely highly recommend this fragrance, especially if you're struggling with the longevity of Vanilla 28. Y'all, this gonna do it. And look at this size bottle. For again, under $50, you get, how many mils is this? You get 3.4 ounces, 100 mil for under $50. Okay, we're here to save money and use our money on other things like travel and other good stuff. Okay, so yes, y'all. Again, if you're looking for a vanilla, if you're a vanilla girl with a little bit of oomph, this one is absolutely for you. Okay. But that's all for this video, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Nice, short, and sweet, and straight to the point. What's up to all of my new subscribers? Thank you guys for subscribing. And what's up to my OGs? Y'all already know it's good. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.